Today in this video I show you how to fix email notifications on iPhone. For this you have to open settings. Now click on notifications. Scroll down to find mail app and click on it. Now make sure that allowed notification toggle are turned on and notification center and banners are selected like this. You can also check your notification sound by this sounds. Select notification sound by these options. Now if your iPhone email notifications are not working, then you can go back and scroll down to find mail. Open mail and click on accounts. Click on Gmail. Now you can delete this account from mail, and after deleting you can add this account again by this add account. By doing this, your email notification will work properly. So this is how you can fix email notifications on iPhone. Thank you for watching this video. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos like this.